Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. This time is gonna be a new series, and as you can see in the title, I'll have another series which is gonna be called Shade of the Month. And the reason I'm doing this video is just because I was going through my collection, not all of that, but going through stuff and everything else, I realized that we have so many items, especially if you have subscription boxes. You get so many items that you never touch. So for that reason, even if you don't have subscription boxes, if you have just 2 or 3 eyeshadow palettes, you have lots of shades in that one. You regularly use 3 or 4 and that's all. The rest of it never touch. At least this is for me. So for that reason I decide to do this video, which is as I said, the shade of the month. Each month I'm gonna choose a product. I'm not saying that I'm gonna use just that product, but I'm gonna do the best in using the most of that product, just for the reason that I want to give value to the money I spend to those products, because sometimes we're throwing away items that we never touch. We never have the curiosity at least to try them, and this is a good way for me to try at least some of them, if not all of them. So that's why I'm gonna pick it. Each month I'm gonna pick a product in a different color that I might never use other than that. So yeah, for this month, for March, I have this small bag. 2 of them I believe are in my project pens also. That is gonna help me with the project pen too, and the rest of them are just items that I pick up randomly without any purpose, or I just choose something and that's all. So I'm gonna do this every month, choosing a product, a shade from a eye palette or things like that. So for this month, what I have first is this lipstick. It's from Clarins. It's 742 Jolie Rouge. And this one looks like this. And here is the color. It's a pretty red. As I said, I'm not planning to finish those products. I just wanna use some of the product. So the next one, it's the Nabi lip liner pencil, and this one is in the shade Rose, L41 Rose. Looks like this. And I have also this one in my lip project pen, the lip liner. Then another one is this from Too Faced, is the Sun Bunny Natural Bronzer, which looks like this. And here is the color. For some of the items like a bronzer or a blush, you might never finish it because there is so much product, and if you have subscription boxes or you like to shop in makeup and other beauty related items, you realize how many items you have you never used. So at least give them a try, use a little bit of them. So that was the bronzer. Then I have from Well People, this is a blush. Although it's a creamy blush and I'm not a favor of, I like the way this one applies on the skin. And for this month I'm choosing this shade, which is Nude Peach, this one. And this one looks like this. Then another product that I choose. It's from LA Splash, and this is a lip gloss. I wish to be able to tell you. It's Pink Fusion. If you look at this, you see it has a lot of sparkle in it, but it doesn't look like that when you apply it over your lipstick. It's just really nice. And here is the shade. And then I have two more products. One of them is this from MAC, and this is the Skin Finish. And that's all, no name. Soft and Gentle. It's a highlighter, and I got this last year in Europe when I was in the same trip that I'm taking this year. I got this on my birthday. I was there at the time, and I was so exciting to see a MAC store in the mall that anyway I got this one, and also I got some another highlighter, a Dior one. So yeah, really happy to see the MAC store there, which wasn't there 10 years ago. And also I saw the L'Occitane store and Sephora, so when I'll go home this summer I'll be busy also. So is this one, and let me try. I hope you can see the shade. Not really. It's right here. Looks very natural, that's why I got this one. Looks more like for a day wearing. So yeah, it's this MAC. And the last product, it's an eyeshadow. And for this month I choose a single eyeshadow, which is from Frematic eyeshadow. Is from Duche, whatever how you pronounce this, and this one is in the shade Shimmer 62 Christy Shimmer, and looks like this. I just bought a full size Duche eye shadow palette for the giveaway, whatever, when it's gonna be that one. This one is the shade that I have for this month, and I will probably put this one in a Z palette because it's so small that. And this one looks like this. It's kind of a bronzy color. So yeah, that's kind of all that I choose for March. For the shades of the month. Is I have, I don't know how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items I believe. So as I said, I'm not planning to finish those, but I wanna use the most I can from those items, because I wanna switch all the time what I'm using, just because I have many products, and before I realize that are close to expire or ready to declutter, I wanna try them. So yeah, this is the way it works for me. If you feel like you're in the same boat with me, just try to see how this works for you. I think it's a great idea to try something else all the time. You might discover new things that you like and you didn't use, and you can use them. So yeah, that's all for this video. As I said, I'm gonna film some unboxings, and if I'm not gonna see you with the unboxings today, I will see you for sure tomorrow with the samples of the week. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time, and I wish you to have a great weekend, and see you soon. Bye bye.